So it's about to be a big winter storm. Houston acting like, I ain't even gonna say acting, cause we ain't even used to this type of weather. All the water gone. All the water gone and stuff, so we stuck with these two.
Hey, long live the Texans, man. Long live the Texans.
Man, the Texans really pissed me off today.
We still alive, Zeno. I gotta send that to that nigga. We still alive, Zeno, man. We still alive, man.
We gonna get the clip and send it to bro. Not gonna lie.
Hey, but on some real shit, bro. We really I'm proud of them, nigga. Like the Texans, I'm proud of them. Cause like, bro, we made it. Nigga, one more game, we could have been in the Super Bowl, bro. We the underdogs, bro. Of course they gonna act like that with us, but it's cool though, bro. We coming for y'all ass next year. Next year we coming for y'all ass, man.
Hey yo.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That was crazy.
No, you been.
And don't be scared, man.
Like white on rice.
White on rice. White on rice, man.
On my mama, don't even play like that, cause you know what I'm saying. That's just what it is. But nah, bro, it's crazy, cause like we driving, getting off the beltway, the line to go to the curbside pickup.
Rapping with nigga ass.
All right, I ain't say all that, but it's crazy, like. Oh, I'm glad you said that. I gotta get mama some Dr. Pepper.
Hey, bust a right real quick.
All right, come on.
I wanna grab me one of them cheap ass. No.
Oh, from the back. From the back.
That hoe on my ass. I didn't mean to say that, y'all. My bad.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna hold you, man.
Hey, if y'all didn't like and subscribe, make sure y'all do that shit, man. Cause we stand down for the come up, man.
Stay down for the come up, man. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Stay down for the come up, man. But everybody up in here is packed.
Stay down for the come up
because we about to.
You gonna come down.
Yeah. We gonna, if you don't come up, you gonna come down, I guess. But shit, look, all I'm gonna say is everybody trying to go ahead and prepare, because we don't know what this weather gonna bring to us. You feel me? We don't know how hard it's gonna hit us. So hopefully it don't be that bad.
I don't think it's gonna be bad, y'all. I think it's just gonna be a little
low key. But everybody ain't used to this cold weather neither. So.
Hey, what the coffee at, bro?
Oh, they where the coffee at? The coffee and the tea.
What that?
2 hours down. So go 2 hours down. Who, me? Nah, I'm just reading the sign. I'm just reading the sign right there. Yeah, that's bro right there up in the back.
He back there. Case I'm on.
Yeah,
what's it called?
No, we talking to bro. He like, yeah, go ahead, follow me up on TikTok. I follow bro up on TikTok. He had damn near M working at HEB. I'm like, oh, all right, shit. My bad, G. I ain't even mean to disrespect you like that, brother. And he was so, bro was so humble. Bro was so humble about it too, though. Like, that's the crazy part. Bro was so humble about it too, though.
Say I ain't working.
Let me see how you work that wheel. Let me see how you work that wheel. See how you, oh. I hope you don't drive like that. Hope bro don't drive like that. Oh yeah. We all about wearing.
Hey, if y'all fuck with
man, we ain't worried about his punk ass.
Y'all fuck with my nigga Barack Obama. I love this nigga. This nigga like a pops to me for real. Like since I was little, I always knew about him.
Name one thing he did for you. Did he show up to your birthday?
He paid for my college fees.
Oh, he paid for your college?
Yeah, I mean, like, he did most of it, but that's just really what touched my heart the most.
He touched your heart because he paid for your college?
Yeah.
Hey, this a valuable lesson right here. Don't be lying, people. Don't be out here lying and shit. Like, people be, oh, she jigging. Don't be lying and shit, man. You feel me? So y'all boys stay tuned, how y'all, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, be cool, how you be cool, man.
Be cool. Make sure you like, subscribe, man. That way.
I need some,
Okay.
Yeah, so.
I don't know what's cold down there, boy. I just gotta walk down there and see.
You ain't about to walk down nothing.
Well, I'll walk
nothing. He ain't walking down nothing. What's your street name?
Shit, switch them down with the switch.
What's your real name?
Chance.
Nigga said Chance.
Nah, for real though, we really switch niggas on though. My name
Ew,
DeMarcus.
don't even play like that, bitch.
My name
You feel
DeMarcus,
me?
though.
And we outside, you know what I'm saying?
Me, it's my bitch.
Please don't take the sodas. You already know.
I was just throwing got him.
No, you didn't, nigga. You just rolled with me to the store. You ain't get it, nigga. You better put that stuff up in the car. Nigga better put that stuff up in the car. YouTube, what's the deal, man? Hey. You probably wonder why we just like this right now. Oh, her Care Bear. Why we just like this right here, right now, all bundled up in the house? Cause
So it's cold for Care Bear.
we got snow, bro. We. Oh shit.
Hey man.
We outside. I low-key want to take my car. Bro, I can't even see the driveway.
What if it's like this forever, y'all?
So much snow, man.
Oh, we can draw our names.
I almost fell.
I'm finna draw my name.
Hey, man.
Hey, man. Don't come over here, too.
I ain't gonna lie, man. It's crazy. Snowing in Texas. It's crazy right here, man. You got a few people outside. All this slush right here. Chance, this probably how it look over there, like the lake. It probably look like this, all slushy and stuff. Don't step on that though.
Why?
Shit, I'm gonna bust your ass. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all boys in a minute.
We're gonna tap back in with y'all in like.
We're gonna get some content for y'all boys up in the snow too, man. Don't play like that. Bro, it is crazy outside.
It is basically raining. Get that. It's basically like rain.
Snowstorm. What snowstorm?
Oh, darn it.
Rain and snow.
Snowstorm, man.
Come on, break.
We ain't used to this. We ain't used to this kind of weather. Like being a Texan, even though I came from Utah a few months ago, a year ago, whatever. I ain't, you feel me, used to the snow either. But guess what? Don't judge her bed. But we got Bree suited and booted too. Ooh, she got her pajamas on. Pajamas on. Okay. Hey man, so yeah, we just really loving this right now, cause you know. I was driving from work last night, all like an hour away, bro. Like, what is this? Damn, rookie. Oh shit, that's what I get for talking shit. Rookie. Stalling out, falling out and stalling out. Oh shit, I almost fell again. And my leg a little messed up, man. Well, not even my leg, my foot. Tell her I said what's up. Yeah, man, so we really just enjoying this weather, taking it in. Cause we don't really normally get snow like this, man. It snowed like on average maybe every 8 years. I done seen snow maybe like 4 or 5 times. Being that I'm 24, you feel me? I done seen snow 4 or 5 times in my life in Texas. So yeah, it's pretty. Should we take White Lightning out up in the snow? Do some donuts? Let me know up in the comments what y'all think. But nah, man. Work is canceled today at least. I don't know about tomorrow, but hey man, takes the snow. Know what I'm talking about? Hey man, so once again, like I said, it's cold outside, so we got to try to get Bree to use the bathroom, and this her first, this her first little snow too. So We got her little coat on. These really her pajamas on the cool. Go ahead, go use the bathroom, Bree. I know it's cold, man, but you gotta do your business.
What the fuck? Hell, my hell.
She ready to go back up in the house. She ain't messing with the snow. The sooner you go, the sooner we go up in the house. Oh yeah, she ain't messing with it, boy. Go ahead. She waiting like, if you don't open this damn door. Go ahead. Well, that was a fail. She ain't go. But I don't know what I expected anyway.
But nah, dogs usually pee like in the snow though.
Yeah, but she ain't never seen no snow before, so. Yeah, I think it's just, she just too, no, I ain't gonna call her lazy, but it's just cold. Same way we don't really want to be out there, she don't want to be out there. But she gotta go, like, you feel me? So I'm about to make these legendary pancakes, man. And I'm about to show y'all how we gonna do it. Let's go. Let's show these folks how to make a legendary pancake. You feel
Legendary
me?
pancake, no Wayne cake, man.
Hey man, ain't no cooking with Kaya, cooking with Wiz.
Cooking with Wiz and guap.
Hey, nah, my
my
bad. Hold up.
Nigga.
Let me get these dirty ass. So not cooking with Wiz, whipping with Wiz. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. That's
That nigga sound bad in the bed. Nigga said whipping with Wiz.
Shut your bitch ass. But yeah, man, first you gotta get you a bowl. Like so. I ain't making it from scratch, so we got this joint right here to complete. Well, all you gotta do is add the water, you know what I'm saying? So add the water so you can think harder, you feel me? We don't use no measurements over here. I know you're supposed to, but we just kinda, you feel me? It's just in us, not on us, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead. Add our mix up in here, you feel me? Go ahead. Alright, that should be cool. I don't really know. I don't know if y'all can see how much up in here, but damn near the whole bowl. So now, add your water. And then we're gonna mix this joint up. Gotta get a. So, I don't have no whisk. Well, I do have a whisk, but I don't really like using it, so I'm about to use this for it. Water griddle right here. You feel me? Getting hot. We're about to mix this joint up. I'm tripping. We're gonna do it up in the sink actually. Pause for the calls.
3 days later.
Alright, so we back. So I like mine with this kind of consistency right here. Not too loose. You feel me? Just kind of right, you feel me? Might add a little bit more, I don't know just yet. Just so it could be a little bit loose. Just a little bit, so add a little water. Damn, I think I added too much water. That's a little bit better, you feel me? Now I'm about to let y'all in up on a little secret, you feel me? What's gonna take your pancakes to the next level, right? Don't tell nobody I'm giving y'all my secret. You're only getting it over here because we fam, you feel me? In the club, nah, I'm playing.
No, I don't gotta eat. I woke up with this headache, motherfucker. Like I was asleep, woke up, fell down inside my head. I don't know.
Shit, I mean, I'ma eat and take me a nap.
Yeah, cause you woke up early, huh?
Yeah.
What's up, gang? So y'all, my nigga finna whip up any bit. You already mixed it, like whipped it up and shit?
Yeah, I'm looking for some cinnamon though.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. Hey, there we go. Hey, this what you need right
That's
there.
what you need to put in your shit, man.
Some cinnamon.
You wanna know some crazy ass shit? Y'all put me on all the like to make shit better. Like my eggs, I ain't that.
Just all the different little.
Yeah. Mama ain't never shit. Like we was original with it, y'all like the new way with it. Like y'all cinnamon with the shit.
You
We
feel
ain't
me?
thought
Like
about that.
you know how they got the old Dallas, but Montana them the new Dallas. That's basically us. You feel me?
Got the new Utah.
Nigga, I'll never be no motherfucking Utah, nigga. What is you saying?
Nigga, y'all can be the new Utah. Hey, we
don't promote alcohol.
we don't promote alcohol, but hey, this ain't alcohol. This margarita, nigga.
Bro, that's still alcohol.
That was alright, bro.
Yes, it
Where you
is.
see alcohol at on here, bro?
Bro. Flip
Bro.
that joint around. Yeah, right there. 14% alcohol. Exactly. 28 proof. Know what I'm talking about, man.
Bro, this shit smell like juice.
Cause it damn near is shit.
This shit smell like some good ass juice, nigga.
And you wanna drink some later and get fucked up?
Stupid. You for real?
I mean, if you want to, hey, we up in the house. Not like we gotta go to work. Hey, we ain't gotta go to work.
Not right now, nigga.
We ain't gotta go to work, boy.
Doodle ass nigga be on some right now shit.
Do that. I ain't fucking
Nah, I'm
with that shit.
saying she was on some available right now. Shit.
So now you get you some butter.
Butter, put the butter on her.
You get you some butter and then you go
Smash
slap it up on there. You feel me? Cause you don't want your pancakes sticking. You know what I'm saying?
You want to stick it, but not
And
too
then
sticky.
you go through here. Make sure your griddle nice and buttered. You feel me? Nice and buttered. Nah, I don't know where it went. Like, cause I ain't cooked none, so I was looking for it up in there. But I really might cook that other sausage that's up in that little container up in there. It's just not breakfast sausage. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You can take it out actually. I'm gonna cook that for you. Oh, we could save how much up in there? Oh yeah, we could save that for later. Make a sandwich, for real. Yo, boy, don't play like that. Alright, so we got our stuff cooking right here, right now. You feel me? So while this cooking,
I'm glad I grabbed nigga. It's storm.
ain't nobody going nowhere. Ain't nobody outside. Nobody moving. Like, it's people outside driving around and shit. Not over here, but like I've been watching people's stories and shit. Come back to y'all in a
Can
second.
we get at y'all in a minute?
Hey man, so we are back, man. Let me show you. Let me show y'all what we're working with real quick. Perfect, boy.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Hey,
And that, check that.
pancake food truck coming soon, man.
Hey, breakfast food truck, all that. Like I said, he was hating, but like that boy Wallow say, hey, haters is your marketing team. You feel me? Whipping with Wiz up in these, know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all want plates? I'm gonna get up on my snowmobile and I'm gonna be delivering it to you. Hit me up right now. You feel me? 281-330-8004. You know what I'm saying? Pancakes on the way and at your door. Hey man, so we back. You feel me?
Back like a crackhead, man.
Hey, damn, my light just died. That's crazy.
But my light died and I ain't died with the light.
Yeah, like that was one of the moments where the record just and the crickets just beat. You feel me? But all right, fuck that light.
Yeah, that
But
light don't fuck with you.
It's cool. It's cool because we got cakes right here. Get you some butter. You feel me?
Butter, water.
Put your butter up on there. You know what I'm saying? Put your butter. You feel me? Butter. You feel me? Go ahead. These two ready. Like these ready right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bam. Sit them right there. Then you got these other two. You feel me? It ain't ready just yet. I got this little one right here for my little brother. You know what I'm saying? Cause he look. Oh, y'all want the little one?
This nigga lame, y'all.
You don't want the little one?
Nah, man.
So you want these two right here?
It don't matter how I get it.
Nah, I'm with you. I was just using up the rest of the battle for real. Just letting it cook right now. You just go ahead and get you a plate. That's what you do. We about to get a live reaction right here, right now, today.
Nah, this shit down here.
Shut up, get up. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna give you one of these because I want one of these. You feel me?
Right.
So, about to get bro right real quick. About to get him right, you know what I'm saying? So I still got a little bit of, because it hit the other one, that's all that was. I'll keep this one. Get bro, this one right here. Get bro, that one right there, you feel me? Be right there with it.
So it's a taste test?
Yeah, taste test, brother.
With no syrup, nigga.
Okay, cool. You act like I'm scared or something. I stand behind my word. Taste test. No sir.
Okay.
Yeah. You see what it's hitting on, man? Don't play like that. I wish my light was charged, but you know, it is what it is.
It's cool.
Cool.
Right. I can taste the cinnamon.
Yeah, exactly. It's a lot of flavor up in there. I probably could have added a little bit more.
I like some sausage with it, did it.
Yeah, sausage would, you feel me? It'll make it perfect, you know what I'm saying? What does it look like? Where we at? Oh, okay, cool. I guess we could go ahead and flip that boy. Yeah, flip him like that. Yo.
I really should cut this shit up. Hey, you can give me that little one.
Why, you ain't?
Nah, I'm good. I get it. Let's cut it.
Shit, I could have ate it. It don't make me no different.
What it ain't on my plastic shit.
Yeah, to the right. If it was a snake, it wouldn't bit you. Like my snake. Huh? What? What happened?
What you said?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing, brother. Listen here, brother. Listen here, brother. Hold up, we gotta be innovative. We gonna use our light from our phone. You feel me? I'm still dark as hell. That's cool. It's alright. My bad. I don't mean to reach.
Yeah, watch out, bro.
I said my bad, nigga. I don't want to have to beat you up in front of this camera, bro. But shit,
Yeah, put some butter on my shirt too.
I already put butter up on there.
Come on, the other one.
Oh, I'm about to say, don't be policing this. I got this. Yeah, I just burnt the shit out of my finger. It's cool though. Yo, that's perfect. Can you pass me the top? I don't want to reach over you again.
What time?
Give me this nigga. About to beat you up.
Come on, bro. You playing too much, bro.
Nigga, shut up.
I don't play with kids, bro.
What is nigga?
I don't play with kids, bro.
Shut up, nigga.
Come on, bro. I don't play with kids, bro. Stop playing with me, bro.
Take me to this, man. You
Stop
ain't like you. Yeah. You can't even get it. You can't even get it, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
Hey, man.
Oh, alright.
Come on, bro, before you burn my shit, bro.
Bro, you gonna eat it either way. However I make it, you gonna eat it.
I ain't beat your ass, bro.
Don't get fucked up again, nigga. Cool. Go ahead and scoop this so I had to scoop him and dump him. Nigga ran up into the wall. Yeah, give me a plate too.
Fuck you, nigga.
Oh, my bad. I was trying to
Beat your ass.
Shut
Bro,
up.
come on, bro.
Shut up.
Touch me again, I'm gonna beat your ass, real talk.
Fuck up, nigga.
Yeah, I see he running and shit, bro.
Nigga, ain't nobody running from your little ass.
What is you saying, bro? Watch out.
Watch out what? I'm getting the motherfucking. Getting what's gonna bring my shit together.
Hey, bro, stop talking to me like I'm stupid or something, bro.
Alright, you know what, you're right. I'm sorry.
Real talk.
I'm sorry.
Bro, this shit get treacherous, man.
Nigga, shut up.
I don't play with kids, bro. I done told you this already.
Nigga, shut up. You tripping, bro. Tripping. Tripping, bro. This nigga tripping, y'all. Oh, yeah, give me.
Appreciate it, little mama.
Who you talking to, nigga?
Nigga, you, nigga.
You click this button? Yeah. Appreciate it. I was about to say appreciate it.
What's that? Yeah, and he quick down me, bro. Get from behind me, bro.
Ain't nobody behind you, nigga. Let me show y'all boys the finished product very quick so y'all can see. Yeah. Yeah, hey, telling you. Hey, man. Y'all want some pancakes like these, you feel me? All you gotta do is like the video, subscribe, and comment. I want one. I'm gonna be at your door. 30 minutes on time like Domino's, you feel me?
I love you, boy. And keep God in your life, fuck nigga. Do it.